In today's free video editing tutorial for Capcut PC, I'm going to show you how you can add a music track or audio track completely for free. Let's get right into it. Okay, so once you have your video layer or track that does not have audio and you want to add the audio onto it, go to your project bin in Capcut PC and find the piece that has audio. In this case, it's another video track. Click on the video track, right click, and then click extract audio. As you can see, the audio is underneath our video clip. And in the video where we extracted the audio, delete the video by clicking backspace or delete on your keyboard. And now if you go to the beginning of the video clip, you can see and hear that we have audio on our video track. Thanks for watching. Drop this video a like, comment down below, and follow or subscribe for more. I'm out.